Good morning to all. Myself, Manoj Kumar Bundela, Assistant Professor, Suresh Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. So we are discussing the seed production technology of vegetable crop. So today we will discuss the hybrid seed production techniques in cucurbits, including cucumber. So flower biology. Most of the cucurbits are monoecious in character, and a few are dioecious. Monoecious means male and female flowers are different. Means male or female flowers are present in different flowers, male and female parts. Male and female flowers are borne separately in same plant. The female flowers have a knob-like structure below the flower. So how we identify the male and female flower? So this is the male flower and this is female flower. So female flower have a knob below the petals. So like this we can identify this is a female flower and this is male flower. Flowers are open early in the morning except bottle gourd and ridge gourd, where it's open in evening. Means bottle gourd and ridge gourd, the flowers will open in evening, and other than this, the flowers will open in morning. Most of the cucurbits are cross-pollinated. The pollination is largely done by the insect. So all the cucurbits are cross-pollinated, and pollination is mainly done by the insect. Insect-pollinated crop. Pollination: Male and female should be bagged with butter paper or polythene bag 15 into 10 centimeter one day before the opening of the flower. So before we have to select the flowers and then we have to go for means bag the flowers like this. This is the male flowers and this is the female flowers. From female flowers we remove the petals and then we have to go for bagging of the flowers. At the time of flower opening, the bags are removed and pollen from the parents are rubbed over the stigma of the female flowers of the same variety. So at the time of anthesis, what we have to do when the flowers will open, that time this is the collection of the pollen. So we have to collect the pollens from the male flowers. We can use the brush. With the help of this brush, we have to collect the pollens from the male flowers, and then after that, we have to keep that brush into the female parts. Like this is the female part, the stigma of the female flowers. We have to rub this brush, which contain the pollens. This is the male flower and this is the female flower. Female flower contain the stigma. Male flowers contain the pollens. The female flowers are again bagged to avoid the contamination. So after pollination, again we have to go for bagging of the female flower so that the contamination will be not there. Bags should be removed 1 week after pollination. So after 1 week, we have to remove the bag. The fruits are removed when they are fully mature. When the fruits are fully mature, that time we have to remove the fruits. In bottle gourd, ridge gourd, and sponge gourd, dried fruits are kept for storage. In bottle gourd, ridge gourd, and sponge gourd, the dried fruits are kept for storage. The seeds are extracted from them at the time of planting. So we have to keep the fruits, then we will extract the seeds from that, and that seeds we use for the planting purpose. So this is the procedure of pollination in cucurbits. So cucurbits, how we identify the male and female flowers? Male flowers have like this, female flower have the knob, like this knob are there. So we can identify. Second, female flowers contain the pollens and male flowers contain the pollens and female flower contain the stigma. Sowing the sowing pre-contaminated seeds of cucurbits are highly sensitive to soil moisture. Sowing of pre-germinated seeds of cucumber are highly sensitive to the soil moisture. Seeds can be pre-germinated before actual field sowing by the water soaking for 4 hours. So before sowing the seeds into the field, we will soak the seeds into the water for 4 hours so that the seeds will start germinate. Then we will go for sowing into the field. Germinated seeds can be separated daily till 6 days. The seeds germinating after 6 days are poor vigor. Seeds which are germinate after 6 days, they have the poor vigor. Germinated seeds can be sown in pits by making the small holes and dropping the seeds into the hole. So we have to prepare the pits, we have to make the small holes. In that holes, we have to drop the seeds, and then the sowing process will be complete. Land requirement. Land should be free from the volunteer plants. Volunteer plants means is free from the weeds, free from the other crop seeds, other crop plants, and other crop any other plants. Generally, the soil should be well drained and aerated. Isolation distance. For foundation seeds, the isolation distance is 1000 meter, and for certified seeds, the isolation distance is 500 meter. 1500 meter. Pollination is largely done by insect. Isolation distance all around the seed field is necessary to separate the crop from the field or the other varieties. So why we maintain the isolation distance? To separate the crop from the other variety. Means we are growing the different varieties. To separate that other varieties, and the pollens will not fall down on the particular varieties that we are going to the pollinating. So that we will maintain a proper isolation distance. Field of the same variety not conforming of varietal purity and form the wild cucurbit species. The field of the same variety means the seeds will be not fall down of the same variety or the other any other. It will be free from the any other purity, varietal purity. Season. The season of planting is June, July and February to March. Season of planting June, July and February to March. Seed rate is 2.5 kg per hectare. So especially we are doing in cucumber. The cucumber 2.5 kg per hectare. So spacing, sow the seeds in a pit size of 45 into 45 into 45 centimeter at 2.5 into 2 meter spacing. So either we have to prepare the pit size of 45 into 45 into 45 centimeter, and we have to show the seeds 2.5 into 2 meter spacing. We have to maintain the spacing is more spacing we have to maintain because it is a wine group. Female flower increase by spraying of ethereal 200 to 250 ppm. So if we spray the 200 to 250 ppm ethereal, it will increase the female flowers at two leaf stage. So normally the spraying time is two leaf stage and after a week of first spray. Means first we have to apply the ethereal 200 to 250 ppm at two leaf stage, and second we apply 1 week after first spray. Two spray we have to do. And next is hybrid developed by this, like first is TNAU S guard. TNAU developed by the TNAU. The S guard hybrid is hybrid CO1. So the duration is 150 to 120 to 130 days. The yield is 90 ton per hectare. The silent feature is the fruits are oblong and medium in size. Fruits are oblong and medium in size. It is mainly grown in Tamil Nadu. In beetle guard developed by IARI, Pusa Hybrid 1. Pusa Hybrid 1, 55 to 60 days. It will take 55 to 60 days for first picking. Pusa Hybrid 1. The yield is 200 quintal per hectare. The fruits are medium long, medium thick, glossy green, suitable for pickling and dehydration purpose. Pusa Hybrid 2, 55 to 60 days after first picking. So harvesting is 55 to 60 days after first picking. The yield is 190 to 200 quintal per hectare. It will give the yield 190 to 200 quintal per hectare. Fruits are spindle shaped, glossy green. Fruits are spindle shaped, glossy green. Skin color without tubercles. Skin color is without tubercles. It is mainly grown in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Pusa Hybrid 2, Pusa Hybrid 1. Bottle Guard. The Bottle Guard hybrid is Pusa Hybrid 3. It is developed by IARI. The fruits are the yield is 425 quintal per hectare. 425 quintal per hectare. Fruits are green, slightly club-shaped, without neck. Suitable for easy packing and long distance transportation. It is mainly suitable for easy packing and long distance transport, and it is grown in all over the India. Bottleguard Hybrid CO1. It is developed by the TNAU. The yield is 80 ton per hectare. Fruits are cylindrical without crook neck, medium size. Developed by Tamil Nadu. Hybrid Kasi Bahar. It is developed by the IIVR. The yield is 500 to 550 quintal per hectare. This is a long-fruited hybrid with green vine and vigorous growth. Fruit are straight light green. It is mainly grown in UP, Punjab, Bihar and Jharkhand. Kasi Bahar. Cucumber. Family is Cucurbitaceae. Origin is South Asia. Chromosome number 2 and is equal to 24. So it is a summer vegetable crop, mainly grown in summer. The bitter taste of cucumber fruits due to the tetracyclic terpenes in seed. The tetracyclic terpenes are present in seeds. Due to that, the color bitter taste in developing cucumber. Oil from its seeds is good for brain. So cucumber oil it is good for the brain. Climate and soil requirement. Climate. Cucumber is a warm season crop. It does not withstand even light frost. Seed does not germinate below 11 degrees centigrade. Grow best at temperature of 18 to 24 degrees centigrade. Female flowers are produced during the short day with cool temperature and low light. So it is mainly best grown in 18 to 24 degrees centigrade. If the temperature is below 11 degrees centigrade, the seeds will not germinate. Female flowers are produced during the short day. If the short day conditions are there, then the female flowers are produced with low temperature and low light intensity. Soil: sandy to heavy clay is the best suited. The best suitable soil is sandy to heavy clay soil. The pH of the soil is 5.5 to 6.7. The soil should be well drained. So whatever soil we have to use the well drained sandy loamy soil. Dehiscence occurs when the temperature range from 20.5 to 21.5. So the dehiscence is occurs when the temperature is 20.5 to 21.5 between 2:30 to 3:45 am. The time of dehiscence is 2:30 to 3:35 am and it completes before 5 am. So before 5 am we have to go for pollination. In night 2:30 to 3:45 best time for and temperature is 20 to 21. The stigma become receptive 12 hours before and remain so 24 hours after opening of the flowers at moderate temperature. The stigma receptivity is the time of 12 hours before the anthesis and 24 hours after opening of the flowers the stigma will be receptive. So that time we will go for pollination. Planting details. The hills are prepared at a proper spacing by adding the well-rotten organic manure. In North India, the time is Kharif season, June to July; in summer, January to February. In North India, in Kharif season, June to July is the time of sowing, and in summer, January to February. In South India, October to November. The time of sowing in South India is October to November. Seed rate is 1.5 kg for male parents and 3.5 kg for female parents for a hectare. If you are going for hybrid production, so the male plants less male plants are required and more female plants are required. The female parents the spacing is 3.5 kg and for male parents the seed rate is 1.5 kg. Flower biology. The inflorescence is cymose. is a monoecious plant. Flowers are unisexual and actinomorphic. Flowers are unisexual and actinomorphic. Stigma receptivity is maximum 2 hours. Stigma will receptive for maximum 2 hours. Fruit type is pepo. X albuminous. Fruit type is pepo. Male flowers have 3 stamens with free filament and anthers. 3 stamens with 3 filaments and anthers. Female flowers have 3 united inferior carpels with a style and 3 thick stigma. Male flowers have 3 stamens with 3 filaments and anthers. Female flowers have the 3 united inferior carpels with a style and thick stigma. Female flowers. Female flower produce the short day with cool temperature and low light. The short day are there, low temperature is there and low light is there. That time the female flowers will produce. Usually solitary, female flowers are solitary. The corolla is yellow, about an inch long, bell-shaped, 5 petals, wrinkly and hairy. The corolla is yellow, about an inch long, bell-shaped, 5 petals and wrinkly and hairy. It is having 3 united inferior carpels, 3 united inferior carpels with a style and thick stigma. Male flowers. These are produced in axils of leaf. These are having 3 stamens with free filaments and anthers. Hybrid released in cucumber. Swan Sheetal, it will give the yield 20 to 30 ton per hectare. Swarna Sheetal. Pusa Sanyog, 15 ton per hectare. Yield is 15 ton per hectare. Pusa Sanyog. NS45, 200 gram weight. Per fruit weight is 200 gram. NS45. NS46, the fruit weight is 150 gram. Hybrid seed production. Lack of standardized techniques for commercial seed production of hybrid is one of the major reasons that it restrict the popularization of hybrid seeds. So there is a lack of knowledge, product facilities are not available. The production of hybrid seeds of cucumber needs some special concentration. Depending on the flower biology, one of the following methods can be followed for large-scale hybrid seed production. One of the following methods can be followed for the large-scale hybrid seed production. Picking of flowers and artificial pollination. We will pick the male flowers and then we go for artificial pollination. Picking of male flowers and insect pollination. We will pick the male flowers and then female flowers will be pollinated by the insects. Use of gynoecious line in cucumber. We use the gynoecious line. Gynomonoecious line we use. Gynomonoecious means it have female flowers and male flowers, more female flowers. Use of male statile line. In muskmelon, squash and pumpkin, we use the male statile line for the seed production. Picking of male flowers and artificial pollination. In monoecious plant, emasculation is not required. The female and pollen parents lines are planted alternatively in a isolated field. The male flowers from the female parents are pinched before they open. The pistillate flowers of female parents are artificially pollinated with the pollens of the male parents using the cotton puffs by manual labors. So male flowers, normally we will go for picking of the male flowers, then the male flowers are pollinated by then. If we remove the male flowers, then it will be pollinated. Pollination in done means we will collect the pollens and then we go for pollinating of the female flowers. So it is mainly done by the manually, means laborers will do. Picking of the male flowers and insect pollination. The female and the pollen parents lines are planted alternatively. and isolated field. In isolated field, we have to plant the female lines and pollen parents line we have to plant. The male flowers from the female parents are pinched. So from the female plant, the male plant's male flowers will also come in female flower plant. So that male flowers we have to remove. Only female flowers will be grow. The female flowers are left on the seed parents and allowed to pollinate by the insect from the pollen parents. In this, what we have to do, we have to remove the male flowers from the female lines, and we allow the male pollens from the means the from the with the help of insect the female from the male the pollens will be fall down on the female flowers. In first one, we have to pick the male flowers from the female lines, and then artificially we have to go for pollination. In this, it will be pollinated by the insects. Use of gynoecious line in cucumber. Gynoecious, any female parents. Monoecious, the pollen parent line are planted alternatively. Means first gynoecious line, female parent line, then male parent line. Like this, we will plant alternatively. Since the percentage of gynoecious plant is different in different gynomonoecious lines is variable. All the monoecious plants are removed at the early stage. Means early time we have to remove all the monoecious plants. Seed is collected only before gynoecious plants that have been left for seed production. So we will collect the seeds. Only gynoecious plants means from the gynoecious female parents we have to collect the seeds. Gynoecious sex form. The gynoecious sex form have been commercially exploited in hybrid seed production of cucumber, like Pusa Sanyog at IRI Research Station, Katran. So it is mainly used in Pusa Sanyog. Performance is unstable under high temperature and long photoperiod. If temperature is more and if long photoperiod is there, means long day temperature is there, then it is not suitable. It is not work. It is not suitable for tropical region. It is mainly used in tropical region only, mainly used in temperate region only, not suitable for tropical. In IRI, the tropical suited gynoecious lines are developed. So IRI developed the tropical suited gynoecious line that is suitable in tropical areas. Maintenance of gynoecious line. In gynoecious line, only pistillate flowers are produced, and so it required the staminate flowers for self-pollination. In gynoecious line, only pistillate, only female flowers will produce, so it required the male flowers for the pollination. For production of the staminate flowers, GA3 100 ppm is sprayed. We will spray the GA3 100 ppm for production of staminate flowers. Rise at 15 days interval and second leaf stage, or a single foliar spray of silver nitrate, or we can spray the silver nitrate 600 ppm is done as the first flowers open. So for production of staminate flowers, what we have to do, we will use the GA3 100 ppm, or we will use the silver nitrate 600 ppm. At the first flowering stage, we will use to control this to make to production of staminate flowers. A physiological maturity, it induces the staminate flowers for fertilization of pistillate flowers. So if we spray the this GA3 and the silver nitrate, it will induce the staminate flowers. At physiological maturity and ripening, the fruits are harvested and seeds are extracted. Such seeds, when sown in next generation, will produce only pistillate flowers. The time of physiological maturity, ripening, the fruits are harvested and seeds are extracted. Hybrid seed production through the chemical expression. The hybrid seeds can also be produced in cucurbits by the application of chemical attaining the sex of cucurbits. So we will use the chemicals to change the sex in cucurbits. The specific chemicals are known to induce the femaleness and maleness as desired. So we can use according to the requirement. We require the femaleness, then we can use the different chemicals, and for maleness we can use the different chemicals, femaleness and maleness. The spraying of ethyl 2-chloroethyl phosphonic acid. Ethyl means 2-chloroethyl phosphonic acid, 200 to 300 ppm at 2 to 4 2 leaf stage. Another at the flooring is Another at flooring is useful to inducing the pistillate flowers successfully in first few notes of the female in bottle gourd, pumpkin, squash for the F1 seed production. So we can use the thrill 2-chloroethyl phosphonic acid 200 to 300 ppm we use 2 to 4 leaf stage. Field inspection and logging. The minimum 3 field inspection is done before flowering, during flowering, and in mature fruit stage during the fruit's mature stage. So these are the stages. 3 field inspection is done before flowering, during flowering, and at immature fruit stage and during the mature fruit stage. In case of hybrid, at least 4 field inspection is necessary. If you are going for the hybrid production, then 4 field inspection we have to do. Isolation distance we have to maintain, plant ratio, removal of off-type plant, nicking of male buds, we have to nick the male buds we have to remove in the seed parent block, has a certain accuracy in emasculation or to check the pollen shedding signs in male sterile lines and verify the true food characters. Maximum percentage of off-type permitted for foundation seeds 0.1% and for certified seeds 0.2%. Only the off-type plants are permitted. Harvesting of the fruits at appropriate maturity stage should be done. In some cases, one picking for the consumption and commercial as a fresh vegetable is done does not affect the ultimate seed yield but adds to the farmer's income. Fruits of bottle gourd are ready for seed behind the edible fruit's maturity. The skin of bottle gourd becomes hard and the color changes to light brown to yellow at seed maturity stage. Skin color of bottle gourd becomes hard when the color is hard and the color changes to the light brown to the yellow color. So that is the type of time of seed maturity. The color of bitter gourd and snake gourd is changed to the yellow, orange, red from green to maturity. Green at the maturity time the color is changed. In S gourd, the white color Se content or a metallic sound indicates the maturity. In ribbed gourd, a complete drying of fruits and turning of color from green to the brown color. So these all are the maturity stage in different cucurbits. In some cucurbits, the color of the skin will change. In some cucurbits, the SC white appearance will come on the outer surface of the cucurbit. In some, the metallic sounds will come. Seed extraction. The seeds are separated from the pulp by fermentation and repeated washing. Either we can go for fermentation or repeated washing. Mechanically, chemical methods we can use and dry extraction methods we can use. So these are the different methods we use for the seed extraction: fermentation, mechanical, chemical, and dry. Fermentation method: pulp is allowed to ferment in wooden or not metallic barrels for about 30 hours with occasional stirring to prevent the growth of molds on the seed surface. So fermentation means we have to keep the fruits for the fermentation for some time. So that time continuously we have to stir that so that the molds will not develop in this. So for fermentation it requires 30 hours time. Separated clean seed sink to the bottom and can be collected, washed and dried. So we have to collect and wash and dry. Then the seeds are separated by rubbing with hands. We will rub the seeds by the hand and then we separate the seeds with the excess quantity of water. So first we fermentation method. First we keep the seeds for fermentation for 30 hours with pulp, and continuously we will do stirring. Then we will take the seeds and then we wash it from the water, and continuously we will wash and separate the seeds. Mechanical method. In this mechanical method, fruits are cut and mixed mechanically, and the pulp is squeezed and separate the seeds. Means we have to squeeze the pulp and we will separate the seeds in mechanical method. Chemical method. The seed is extracted with the use of acid or alkali. In Asgard, the fruits are cut into four pieces and the central portion is scooped out. We have to cut the fruits in Asgard and the central portion we have to scoop out. Then the seeds are extracted using the HCl. We will use the HCl for the extraction of seeds. One normal hydrochloric acid (HCl) 50 to 60 ml is thoroughly mixed with 10 kg of pulp and allowed to stand for about 30 minutes. So hydrochloric acid 50 to 60 ml is thoroughly mixed and 10 kg pulp that we have to mix and stir for the 30 minutes. Seed is washed thoroughly to remove the residues of acid, alkali and dried for the safe storage. Then we go over drying. So we can use the chemical method. We use the HCl, hydrochloric acid, 50 to 60 ml for 30 minutes for 10 kg of pulp. Dry extraction. Dry extraction process are usually adopted for ribbed gourd and bottle gourd. In ribbed gourd, the dried pods are cut open at the distilled end and the seeds are collected and cleaned. So in ribbed gourd, what we have to do, the dry pods are opened at the distilled end. The bottle gourd, the fruits are cut open at the proximal end and the seeds are collected. The seed is scooped out of the fruits and sun drying. We have to scoop out the seeds and then we will go for sun drying. The clean seed is then removed by rubbing over a sieve and winnowing or blowing to the separate the inert matter. The seeds may be washed once if necessary and then re-dried for the safe storage. In this method, the machines like Axial Flow vegetable seed extractor may also be used to separate the pulp from the seeds. So this is the machine we can use, Axial Flow vegetable seed remover. So this is the dry method of seed extraction. Seed recovery percentage. So in beetle gourd, the seed recovery percentage is 30%. In beetle gourd, seed recovery percentage is 30%. In snake gourd, the seed recovery percentage is 15 to 16%. In snake gourd, the seed recovery percentage is 15 to 16%. In ribbed gourd, it is 13 to 14%. Ribbed gourd 13 to 14% seed recovery percentage, and in S gourd, it is 1 to 1.3%. So these are the seed recovery percent. Means from 1 kg, how much seeds we will get. In 100 kg, we will get the 30 kg seeds like this. 15 to 16 kg in snake gourd out of 100 kg. Drying is done to reduce the Drying is done to reduce the moisture content in the seed to safe limit because the S&C affects the germination and storability. Seed moisture content. If the seed moisture content is there, so it will affect the germination and storability. If we store the seeds and the seeds have the moisture content, then there is a chance of attack of molds or fungus. So what we have to do? We have to go for drying, means completely drying of the seeds we have to do. The moisture content will be less, grading and size separation. Various equipment such as air screen cleaner, gravity and indented cylindrical separators etc. are available in market which can be taken up as the requirements. The farmers can Use even hand sewer, means with the help of hand sieves also you can use for take up the enterprise on a very small scale. Most 16 by 64 round performed in a sieve and used for the grading. So for grading we have to use the sieves. So at different graders we can use for the grading of the based on the size we have to go for grading. Grading is done based on the size, small size, medium size and big size. Seed yield. So these are the seed yield for the different crops and their test weight. Test weight means weight of the 1,000 seeds. So first one is S-guard. S-guard for open pollinated crop, the seed yield is 250 to 400 kg per hectare. For hybrids, it is 200 to 350 kg per hectare. The test weight of 1,000 seed is 70. In bottle guard, the open pollinated variety, the seed yield is 300 to 500. In beetle guard, 100 to 300. For open pollinated variety, for this guard, 300 to 400. Sponge guard, 300 to 400. Muskmelon, 200 to 300. Watermelon, 250 to 400. Round melon, 300 to 400. Long melon, 200 to 300. Cucumber, 300 to 400. Pumpkin, 300 to 400. Summer squash, 300 to 400. Winter squash, 300 to 400. And snake squash, 300 to 400. So these are the kg per hectare for open pollinated varieties. For hybrids, for S guard, 200 to 350. Bottle guard, 240 to 500. Beetle guard, 80 to 240. And the test weight of 1,000 seed is 60. The highest test weight of 1,000 seed is for pumpkin because the size of the seeds, pumpkin seeds are big size seeds. So the weight is more for pumpkin seeds. So it has the highest weight. Weight of the 1,000 seeds of pumpkin is 170 gram, 170 gram. And the weight of the summer squash and snake guard, summer squash and snake guard, the weight of the seed is 1,000 seed is 150. Summer squash and snake guard 150 and bottle guard also 150. Bottle guard, snake guard and summer squash. Bottle guard, snake guard and summer squash, the weight is 150. For winter squash it is 125 gram. Winter squash 125 gram. The lowest weight is long melon seeds. The long melon seeds are very small and thin. So the weight of the 1,000 seed of the long melon seed is 23 gram. Only 23 gram for the cucumber and for long melon 30 gram. So it has the lowest weight. And muskmelon 25. The muskmelon seeds are also small. The weight of the 1,000 seed is 25 gram. In muskmelon 25, cucumber 23 and long melon 30. The smallest weight is cucumber seeds 23 gram and the highest is pumpkin 170 gram. Other than that, they have the average weight like 60 in case of bitter guard, 60 in case of bitter guard, 90 in case of this guard, sponge guard it is 90, this guard sponge guard it is 90, watermelon 70 and S guard 70. So these are the weight of the 1,000 seeds. For hybrid yield, for the 200 to 350 for S guard, 240 to 320 for sponge guard, muskmelon, long melon, summer squash, winter squash, snake guard. The weight, the yield is 240 to 300 kg per hectare. So these are the seed yield and test weight of 1,000 seeds for the different cucurbitaceous vegetables. Next is field standard. So when we prepare for packing of the seeds, when we go for packing of the seeds, minimum we have to maintain the seed standard. So seed standard are different for the foundation seeds and different for the certified seeds. And it is different for the open pollinated variety, for hybrids and for the seed-borne disease. So seed standards includes the off-type plants. The off-type plants in open pollinated varieties, the off-type plant will be 0.1% only, and in certified variety 0.2% only. Off-type plant 0.1 or 0.2% off-type. Object table, object table weed plant, object table weed plants Not, it not contain the any objectable weed plants in foundation seed and certified seeds. Hybrids for off-type in seed parents. Off-type in seed parents, the foundation seeds 0.01 and for certified seeds 0.05%. Off-type in pollen parents. In seed parent 0.01 and 0.05. For pollen off-type in pollen parents, foundation seed is not contain any off-type and certified seeds 0.05%. Pollen seeder in seed plants, seed parents, foundation seeds 0 and in certified seeds 0.1%. So it contains the minimum of plant and minimum weed seeds will be there in this. In seed-borne disease like in muskmelon, it is free from the seed-borne disease 0.1 and in certified seeds seed-borne disease is 0.2% only. In summer stress 0.1 and 0.5. So these are the field standards we have to maintain when we go for packing of the seeds in case of cucurbits. Next is seed standards, more minimum permitted level percentage, minimum how much is there. So pure seeds. So pure seeds will be minimum 98%. So it is 98% pure seed in the case of foundation seeds, and in case of certified seeds, the pure seed percentage is 95%. So in pure seed percentage in certified seeds 95% and in foundation seeds 98%. Inert matter. So maximum 2% inert matter will be there and minimum 5% inert matter will be there. Maximum 5% inert matter will be there in case of certified seeds. In foundation seed only 2% inert matter will be there. Other crop seeds. So other crop seeds maximum none means it not contain the any other crop seeds and it is free from the weed seeds. So weed seeds also not there and other crop seeds will also not there for both foundation seed and certified seeds. Under objectable varieties or only for hybrids. So other objectable varieties in some hybrid there is a mix of varieties seeds are also mixed. So that it contains 65 per kg for foundation seeds and 10 per kg in certified seeds. Only 5 seeds are there in 1 kg. Other objectable variety seeds for hybrids. Only 5 seeds for foundation seed and for maximum 10 seeds for the certified seeds. Germination percentage. So the minimum germination percentage will be 60%. So it have the minimum 60% of germination. Moisture for the ordinary pack. The moisture content is maximum is 7. Maximum moisture content is 7% and for certified seed also 7%. So we have already discussed this. If the moisture content will be more, then we can't store the seeds for the longer period of the time. There is an attack of fungus due to the moisture content. So whenever we go for storage, we have to maintain the moisture content is 7%. So 7% moisture will be there. Germination percent is 60%. This is very important. So out of 100 seeds, 60 seeds will be germinate. It is minimum 60 seeds will be germinate. Out of 100, minimum 60 seeds will be germinate 100%. Weed, it contain only weed. It is free from the weed and other crop seeds, but the objectable varieties. So sometime when we go for development of hybrids, so when we go for crossing, that time there is sometime what will happen, the crossing will be not proper. So that time some in some fruits the crossing will be not there, so the variety seeds will be mixed. So that also only 5 seeds will be there in 1 kg for variety seeds. And for certified only 10 seeds will be there. Not more than 10 seeds will be there. So these all are the seed standards we have to maintain when we go for packing of the seeds. After extraction of seeds, after drying of the seeds, we will go for packing of the seeds. And when we go for packing of the seeds, so these are the seed standards we have to maintain. Seed yield I already told you, and test weight already I told you, and the very important seed standard is germination percent. It has a minimum 60% germination percentage. It is free from the weed seeds When we go for hybrid seed production, sometimes it will contain the varieties, so that is also very less. So this is all about the hybrid seed production in Cooker Bits. Thank you. Thank you all.